Row, row, row your boat.
What a lovely sight it is! The winds are blowing, boatmen are rowing their boats. Oh, how I wish I could row a boat, but I am afraid I might fall into the river.
You are such a coward. You mean to say, if you ever take a boat ride, you will fall into the river?
Yes, I think so. I am scared of water. No, wait. Let me tell you both that by rowing about or taking a boat ride, you will not drown in water. But yes, you have to be careful.
I have always enjoyed rowing. This also is a kind of game.
There are a lot of water activities one should do. But we must always take care of ourselves, and then only we will be able to enjoy the water rides. I will also try not to be scared of the water. I will learn and enjoy water activities, but with some elder person with me. Very good. I am happy to hear it. Let us all enjoy the water waves and listen to the poem Row, row, row your boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream, gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream, gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream.
What is the color of water? It has no color. What do you think the boats are made up of?
Wood!